Hey, what is going on, guys? So you have a OnePlus 7 Pro. I'm going to show you how to rearrange the apps on your home screen as well as on the shortcuts here. Okay, so first of all, you can see I have some apps that are here, and I can basically move this Google Play Store. If I want to move it over here, I can drop it there. If I want to move it to the next page over, I can press and hold and just slide it over like that, and you can drop it here or the previous home screen. So right there, if I wanted to drop it down in the shortcut list, I mean, what I can do if I drop it, the max you can have down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, is 5. But if you put another one in there, 6 is on top of another one, is going to add it in like this, okay? So if I want to go ahead and remove this, let me press on the press and hold the Google Play Store, and let me put it back somewhere here on the home screen. So if I wanted the Play Store down here and I wanted to remove this, just press and hold this down here, move this over to a particular screen that you want, wherever, and then press and hold the Play Store, and then we can go ahead and drop that over here. Also, if I wanted to move the camera like over here, I can just move this over here, press and hold, and move the camera over here, then press and hold the Play Store, and I can go ahead and move the Play Store back over there. Also, for example, if I would like my YouTube app somewhere on the home screen here, if I swipe up, I can see all my apps that I have on here. Here's my YouTube app. I want that on my home screen, so I'm going to press and hold. And now I'm just going to go ahead and move it up like that. And I want it on this first page right there. And if I wanted it down here on my shortcuts list, I'll go ahead and replace that from my Google Play Store here. Press and hold. And I'll walk it down there to the shortcut list. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.